So, great little stop for the night. Whitewater Inn. It's got a 90-foot slide and a hot tub. Sadly, didn't get to try either of those things, but we're going mountain biking on Big Sky. Super stoked for this. Let's go. Welcome to Big Sky. Just got to get situated, but go find bikes.
It's a really cool spot. Have you heard of that one?
We've heard of it, yeah.
Yeah, Highland Park Rec. That's got some really cool single track. Kind of sandy, twisty, turny. Town and country.
What are you looking for?
To pick up the lift ticket.
So apparently, Big Sky has the only north face in Montana. Didn't know that. Fun fact, might be closed. Might be too early. We're about to go do some of that. Should be pretty legit. As it turns out, mountain biking down a ski resort wasn't exactly Charlotte's thing, but she powered through, finishing the run like a champ. I did a few more runs on my own, and we decided to end the day with some shopping. The whole resort is pretty epic. I mean, just look at these cabins in the side of the mountain. I definitely think this is a resort we'll be coming back to, and can't wait to see it fully covered in snow. Hopefully we can trade these bikes in for some skis and snowboards, but we'll see. Until next time, Big Sky, we'll see you soon.